Hey, Sam,
Yeah, Stacy.
can you tell me why is it important to get your oil changed?
To keep your engine lubricated and to protect your second biggest investment and also to prevent oil leaks.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Jonathan,
Hey,
why should I change my engine oil?
well, changing the engine oil is important because engine oil lubricates the internal components of your engine. You got to get rid of all the carbon deposits and sludge that builds up over time just from the engine running. And also, it's important to bring your car to somewhere like Wayside because an oil change is not simply just changing the filter and draining the oil. I mean, we're going to go over the entire vehicle. I mean, you're talking the best digital inspection there is. I mean, it's more than just, like I said, draining the oil. You know, it's important to keep your car going to, have it inspected every 6 months at minimum.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Marcus, why should I change my engine oil?
You should change your engine oil because it prevents wear and tear of the bearings and seals, helps lubricate the seals, takes out all of the carbon deposits that are in your oil. You should change it maybe every 5 months. And it'll help you keep your car lasting longer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Williams,
Hi, Stacy.
why should I change my engine oil?
Because it's important for your maintenance and keep and save your engine regularly every 6 months or every 5,000 miles.
How many miles do you have on the Nissan that you drive?
It has 210,000 miles.
I thought you had over 400 on one of them.
In a minivan, a 2000 minivan, Dodge
Oh.
Grand Caravan, it has a 455,000 miles.
That's awesome. And is that from making sure that you take care of it and change the oil when you should?
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Alex,
Hi, Stacy.
why should I change my engine oil?
Well, engines are real expensive to replace, and preventive maintenance will make your car last longer.
Good answer. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Hyro.
Yeah,
Can you tell me why should I get my engine oil changed?
it increases longevity of the engine in general and performance. So it'll make your car last longer and it'll make it perform better, if anything.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, Jacob. Tell me why I should change my engine oil.
Well, you want to change your oil because that's what allows your engine to actually run and house the internals of the engine lubricated. So if you're not changing that regularly, you can have external wear, extra damage, and the vehicle is just not going to be running right. So you want to make sure that your investment is well protected.
Thank you.
To prolong the life of the engine,